I'm Nancy Patterson, the president of the Morris River Historical Society, which manages East Point Lighthouse. We lease it from the state of New Jersey, and basically it's our job to maintain it and offer it to the public. We have a lot of teamwork going on. We have Cumberland County road crew and Morris River Township road crew, and they are placing, right as we speak, 50 more bags over the last 3 days that were purchased by the state of New Jersey with the help of Wibco Sand Company this time. And right now they're rebuilding a wall that had been built prior to, and it just keeps getting pounded by the surf. And then as it gets pounded and falls apart, then they keep reassuring it. So I just received a certified letter from the state of New Jersey stating that the permitting is all complete to build what's called a geotube, a giant sandbag, big long tube, and then what they do is they naturalize it. They come back with sand and bury it, and then it can be planted like a regular sand dune to hold that in place. The natural plants can be put in, like bayberry and beach plum and the grasses and all those things that have wonderful root systems to hold. I've been watching the one in between Sea Isle and Strathmere for years, and it's holding pretty well, and I'm really encouraged that they are planning to put a geotube in this summer. We're open every first and third weekend of the month, both Saturday and Sunday from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. And people can come and visit the gift shop and also tour the lighthouse, which has been completely restored and is furnished to look as if a keeper and family live here in about 1905 or 10, 15, within that time zone. So it's like stepping back into history. We also have special events during the year. Our next event coming up is, well, we'll do a little something for Easter, and we also have Bay Day coming up, which will have a big celebration for that, celebrating the Delaware Bay and learning all about the wildlife as well, history and wildlife.